A clean home isn't always about cleaning more. Sometimes it's about avoiding the mistakes that quietly create mess in the first place. Scandinavian homes feel fresh and organized because they follow a few simple habits that prevent dirt and clutter from building up. Today, you'll discover 19 cleaning mistakes that many people make without even realizing it. If you're ready for a home that stays cleaner with less effort, you're in the right place. Subscribe for more Scandinavian-inspired ideas that make everyday life simpler, calmer, and more beautiful. One habit can determine how clean your home stays all week. Wearing outdoor shoes inside. Every trip outdoors leaves your shoes covered with fine dust, dirt, and invisible grime. As you walk through the house, those particles spread onto hardwood floors, rugs, and the places where children and pets spend time. Many Scandinavian families stop at the entrance, remove their shoes, and switch to slippers or socks before going any further. Because the dirt never travels beyond the doorway, floors stay cleaner for much longer and require far less deep cleaning. The cleanest Scandinavian homes don't begin with better cleaning products. They begin with one simple habit at the front door. Many people wait until their home looks messy before they start cleaning. During the week, small items quietly collect on tables, countertops, and shelves until the room begins to feel crowded. Cleaning takes much longer because every surface has to be cleared before it can even be wiped. Scandinavian homes avoid this by putting things back immediately after they're used. Spending just a minute resetting a room prevents hours of work later. A home stays cleaner when clutter never has the chance to settle in. One cleaning mistake that often goes unnoticed happens right after showering. Wet towels left in a heap stay damp for hours, creating the perfect environment for unpleasant odors and bacteria. That lingering moisture can also make the bathroom feel less fresh, even after it's been cleaned. Scandinavian homes usually hang every towel fully open, so air can circulate freely. A towel that dries quickly stays fresher and needs washing less often. Sometimes a cleaner home comes from changing one small daily routine, not cleaning more. A sparkling home doesn't require a cabinet full of cleaning products. Many people believe using more sprays and chemicals will produce better results. In reality, mixing products or using too much often leaves streaks, sticky residue, and unnecessary waste. Scandinavian cleaning routines usually rely on a few trusted products that work well on multiple surfaces. Simple tools like microfiber cloths, warm water, and an all-purpose cleaner often do most of the work. Cleaning becomes faster, safer, and less expensive when you focus on quality instead of quantity. The cleanest homes are often won or lost before you even step inside. Leaves, dust, rainwater, and grit usually enter through the front door long before they reach the rest of the house. When the entryway is ignored, that dirt gets carried into living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. Scandinavian homes treat the entrance as the home's first line of defense against mess. A simple doormat, shoe rack, and regular sweep stop most dirt where it belongs. Keeping the first few steps clean makes every room beyond them easier to maintain. Laundry becomes much harder to manage when it's treated as a weekly emergency. Overflowing baskets quickly turn bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets into visual clutter. Large piles also make washing, drying, and folding feel like an exhausting chore. Scandinavian households usually spread laundry across the week instead of saving everything for one day. Smaller loads are quicker to finish and much easier to put away immediately. Staying ahead of the laundry keeps the entire home looking organized every day. Some of the dirtiest places in a home are the ones people touch every day, but rarely think about. Light switches, door handles, and cabinet pulls collect fingerprints, oils, and germs with constant use. Because they blend into the background, they often get missed during regular cleaning. Scandinavian cleaning routines include a quick wipe of these small surfaces instead of focusing only on obvious areas. It takes less than a minute, but leaves the whole home feeling noticeably fresher. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference in how clean a home feels. A room can feel messy even when everything is technically clean. Kitchen counters and bathroom surfaces often become storage spaces for appliances, bottles, and everyday items. The more objects left out, the more dust, grease, and fingerprints collect around them. Scandinavian homes keep only the essentials visible and store everything else behind cabinet doors. Clear surfaces take just seconds to wipe and instantly make a room feel larger and calmer. Often, the secret to a cleaner home isn't cleaning more, It's leaving less out. A home can look spotless and still feel stale if fresh air never comes in. Everyday activities like cooking, showering, and even breathing gradually increase indoor moisture and trapped odors. Without regular airflow, rooms can begin to feel heavy despite being freshly cleaned. Scandinavian homes are often aired out for a few minutes each day, even during colder months. That quick exchange of air helps remove humidity. Sometimes opening a window does more for a home's freshness than another round of cleaning. It only takes a few seconds for a small spill to become a bigger cleaning problem. Coffee, juice, and cooking splatters are much easier to remove while they're still fresh. Once they dry, they often leave stains, sticky residue, or require scrubbing. Scandinavian homes deal with little messes immediately instead of saving them for cleaning day. That simple habit prevents dirt from building up throughout the week. The fastest cleaning job is usually the one you do right away. Some of the biggest dust traps are completely out of sight. Dust, pet hair, and crumbs slowly collect beneath sofas, beds, and cabinets. Over time, those hidden areas can affect the freshness of the entire room. Scandinavian homes make underfurniture cleaning part of their regular routine instead of waiting for spring cleaning. A quick pass with a vacuum or mop keeps hidden dust from building up. The cleanest homes pay attention to the places most people never see. Making your bed immediately after waking isn't always the freshest option. During the night, body heat and moisture become trapped inside the bedding. Pulling the duvet up straight away seals that moisture inside, instead of letting it escape. Many Scandinavian households leave the bed uncovered for a short time while they shower or eat breakfast. Those few extra minutes allow the mattress and bedding to air out naturally. Sometimes a fresher bedroom starts with simply waiting before making the bed. Not everything that decorates a room makes it easier to live in. Shelves crowded with tiny ornaments, artificial flowers, and decorative objects quickly become magnets for dust. Cleaning each piece one by one turns a 5-minute job into a half-hour task. Scandinavian interiors favor fewer, larger, and more meaningful pieces that are easy to maintain. Open space becomes part of the design instead of filling every empty corner. A room often looks cleaner because there's simply less to clean. An evening's worth of dirty dishes rarely looks better the next morning. Leftover food quickly dries onto plates, pans, and utensils, making everything harder to clean. A full sink also makes the kitchen feel untidy, even if every other surface is spotless. Scandinavian households often clean the kitchen before relaxing for the evening. Waking up to an empty sink makes the entire home feel fresh from the start of the day. Ending the day with a clean kitchen gives tomorrow a much better beginning. Cleaning becomes more difficult when the tools themselves create clutter. Bulky buckets, oversized mops, and scattered supplies often end up left in plain sight because they're inconvenient to put away. Instead of making the home feel cleaner, they make utility spaces and corners feel crowded. Scandinavian homes usually choose compact, well-designed tools that fit neatly inside cabinets or closets. When cleaning supplies are easy to access and easy to store, they're more likely to be used regularly. Good organization doesn't end after cleaning. It includes where the tools go afterwards. Paper clutter has a way of growing without anyone noticing. Receipts, unopened mail, flyers, and old magazines slowly cover tables, countertops, and desks. Even a clean room begins to feel disorganized when paper is scattered everywhere. Scandinavian homes deal with paperwork as soon as it comes through the door instead of creating a deal with it later pile. Important documents are filed, while everything else is recycled immediately. A few minutes of sorting prevents weeks of unnecessary clutter. The order you clean can be just as important as how you clean. Dust naturally falls downward, so wiping low surfaces first often means cleaning them twice. Vacuuming before dusting leaves freshly cleaned floors covered with new debris. Scandinavian cleaning routines usually begin at the highest surfaces and work downward. By the time the floors are vacuumed, everything above them has already been finished. A smarter sequence saves time, effort, and unnecessary repetition. Many people spend an entire weekend catching up on cleaning they avoided all week. After several days, every room needs attention at the same time, making the task feel overwhelming. Spending hours cleaning often leads to exhaustion, which makes it harder to stay consistent. Scandinavian households usually spread small cleaning tasks throughout the week instead of saving everything for one marathon session. 15 focused minutes each day are often enough to keep the home under control. Perhaps the biggest cleaning mistake is believing that a spotless home demands constant hard work. Many people spend more time cleaning because their daily habits keep creating new messes. Scandinavian homes focus on preventing dirt and clutter before they become problems. Simple routines repeated every day reduce the need for long, exhausting cleaning sessions. The result isn't perfection. It's a home that feels fresh, calm, and easy to maintain. The cleanest homes aren't cleaned more often. They're simply lived in more thoughtfully. Keeping a home clean isn't about working harder. It's about building better habits that quietly prevent mess before it begins. Which of these Scandinavian cleaning mistakes surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed these practical Scandinavian home ideas, subscribe for more simple habits that make everyday life cleaner, calmer, and easier. We hope these small changes help you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. Until next time, take care and enjoy the comfort of a beautifully simple home.